All right, we're about to start, okay? You gonna stay there, be good? All right, boom, here we go. I don't know how long I got. This may be a success, might not be a success. This may be a 10-second video. I got my twin nieces. What's your name?
Zaire.
Zaire. What's your name?
Nevaeh.
Nevaeh. Whew, Lord. Intro.
Yeah, you never flew private plane, now your eyes open wide up in Paris. Yeah, you ain't never been from the coast on a yacht to an island. Yeah.
We back. You good? The test today is to see. Naomi came up with the right idea. BTS, Dope, Boy in Love, Fire Cute. It's like 30 minutes. Okay, it's 3 minutes. Video. Could it keep these 3-year-old twins' attention?
Challenge.
Can it keep their attention? Let's see if it can keep their attention.
You guys ready? Woohoo!
Remember, hold on before we start. This is your stop button. This is Uncle DJ Running Back's stop button, okay? Yours, mine, okay? All right. You blinged out. You blinking. You ready? Let's go. Hit the start button. Hit the button. Boom. Let's go.
It started.
It started. Yeah, we good. Okay, we good.
We told them.
That's not working.
What's the problem? What is the issue, kids?
Oh no, it's not working.
You want me to put it back on? I know what the problem is. I know what the problem. I know what y'all want to hear.
Hey.
I know what y'all want to hear.
Hey, you know about
I know
This
what
girl
y'all
over here
want.
playing with herself in the camera. She just cannot get off that button.
Huh? I got you. I got you. I know what you want to hear. I got you. I forgot. Y'all, my nieces. Y'all gang. You pointed. That's the one. That's the one.
No, it's 7.
That's number 7. She said that's a number 7.
It's not 7.
Girl, I love you.
7.
What do you
It's
want to eat? Map
seven.
of, you said map of the soul 7.
What is this? On 7.
Yes.
I did it. Number 7.
I think if I asked her if she liked the music, she'll naturally say no. So should I say you don't like that? She probably would say yeah. I don't know.
Try
It
it.
is it.
Do your legs like that. Do your legs like young ho. Let me see you do your legs like that. I'm wondering why she's saying she can't do this. You trying to move your legs like Jay? Everybody can't move their legs like young ho. I'm one of the few.
She's trying to sit down.
Oh, you want to sit down? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, gotcha. Boom. There you go. Come on. Hey, there you go. You're back in the promised land. Then I'm going to put you here because I'm kind of like your baby seatbelt.
I get it. I got that.
That way you gauge in. Say, hey, famo.
Hey, Mama.
There we go. Now
Oh,
we
the
roll.
camera's-
Hey, Mama.
The camera right there. You got to say, hey, famo. Wave to them. They right there. Yeah. You didn't know you was turn locked in. Da-da-ba-ba. You said the Coca-Cola thing. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Wow, you're natural. All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Hit the button. Woo. There we go. We're going now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it worked. Ooh, look what he did. Look what he did. Okay, get your change. Get your change. Okay, it's time to vote. Which one did y'all like? 1, 2, or 3?
I want 3.
You like 3?
I want 3.
Now, do you really like 3 or is it the twin connection?
I get
So you like 3. And Panama wins.
It is pink.
Another one. On 3, we gotta say outro. Ready?
Pink.
In pink. Let me see. It actually is pink. Why do you got a speck of pink right there?
Hi, Zara.
They could have painted the rest of your nail, and I don't appreciate that they did that. They got you a little speck of pink. Show them your little pink, girl. Show them your little pink. Don't be scared to show off your little pink.
I got my pink too.
You got your pink too? Where yours at?
Pink.
No, yours is natural. That ain't why we here.
Oh no, let's get my nails.
Can we gotta let these people go, man. So can we say outro? Yeah, you gotta say outro.
Yeah, you never flew private plane. Now your eyes open wide up in Paris. Yeah, you ain't never been from the coast on a yacht to an island.